SAP Basis, Class 1. So today the Class 1 of SAP Basis and date also is there. Today date is 19/01/2026. So this is the today Class 1 we are going, and here your timing also I am putting. So today we are going to the Class 1. So in Class 1, we are going to teach about describing SAP system architecture. Unit name is Unit 1. That unit name is describing SAP system architecture. That is the Unit 1. So this unit we want to complete. In this unit, 3 lessons is there. Lesson 1. In that unit, 3 lessons is there. Lesson 1 is describing SAP systems. Describing SAP systems. So 3 lessons is there. First of all, we want to complete this lesson today and tomorrow. It will take time. It is not a small lesson. It is a big lesson. So we want to complete that lesson. In that lesson, here is there. It is free. Anyone open this one by using this link. Here we click here. Here is that describing so many units is there here. Here so many units is there. So click this describing SAP system architecture. In that describing SAP systems is the one of the lesson. So it is the URL. It is free. Anyone open. SAP provided freely. Anyone open this one. So this is the lesson. In this lesson, different topics is there. This is the first topic, but I changed the topic here. In that lesson 1, I'm going topic 1. Topic 1 is SAP for Hana. That is the topic. Now this is the unit. So this is the lesson. In this lesson, topic 1. So topic 1 is SAP for Hana. Now we are learning about SAP for Hana. That is the topic 1. First, we are going to know about SAP for Hana. Okay. So SAP for Hana is product. Product means software. In our language, it is called as software. SAP for Hana is one of the SAP software. It is one of the SAP software. So SAP S4HANA means software name. SAP S4HANA means software name. That is the name of the software. Windows 11. Windows 11 is the software name, operating system name. Like that here, SAP S4HANA also one of the SAP software. SAP S4HANA means is the name of the SAP software. SAP S4HANA is the name of the SAP software. So here, when you're learning first time, you want to understand, okay, it is the name of the software. We are learning about one of the software. That's you want to understand. Another book I want to open. I want to show one thing. That's why only. Okay. The new world is SAP S/4HANA. The new world is SAP S/4HANA. The new world is SAP S/4HANA. That means what is that meaning? The new world is SAP S/4HANA means your future SAP software. That means after 2030 is completed, after 2030 year is completed, in SAP they use only SAP S/4HANA software only. They don't use any other SAP softwares. Present, there are so many SAP softwares is there. In company, present we are using different SAP softwares. But after 2030 is completed, in company we use only SAP S/4HANA software. That's why only they're telling your future software is SAP S/4HANA only. SAP S/4HANA stands for SAP S/4HANA stands for SAP suite for SAP HANA database. SAP suite for SAP HANA database. That is the full form. That is the full form. Here stands for means full form. SAP S/4HANA full form is SAP suite for SAP HANA DB. SAP HANA, SAP S/4HANA both are not same. SAP HANA is the name of the database software. SAP S/4HANA is the main software. SAP HANA is the database software. Your phone is there. iPhone and Samsung memory card. Both are not same. Memory card is one of the part in iPhone. So iPhone is main phone. Memory card is one of the part. Here also SAP HANA is the database software name. SAP S/4HANA is the main software, business software. SAP HANA is the database software. Both are not same. You cannot install, okay, SAP, it is the product. Here they're telling SAP S/4HANA is the product name. It is only the product name. SAP S/4HANA is the software. Okay. Now, here you got it. What is SAP S/4HANA? SAP S/4HANA full form. What is SAP HANA? You got it here. Now, you want to know SAP S/4HANA releases. SAP S/4HANA releases. So here you are knowing when they release SAP S/4HANA software, what are the versions is available. For example, in Windows is there. Windows operating system, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 11 is there, no? Like that, in SAP S/4HANA also releases is there. We want to know that one. And one more important point, this SAP S/4HANA is enterprise management software. Enterprise management software. Enterprise means company. Company manage software. So that means it is business software. Business developed software. Enterprise management software. Now we want to know about SAP S/4HANA releases one by one. Here release plan also is important. Release plan also is important. Release plan. Here in release plan, beta shipment is there. What is that beta shipment? We want to know that one. Simply, what is that beta shipment? So that is one of the release plan. Here simply nothing you want to know what is that beta shipment means. Suppose in market they want to release any medicine means what they do? They test that medicine. Before testing medicine, they don't release medicine in the market. Like that here also, before releasing the SAP software in the market, they test that SAP software. So that is in beta shipment. Beta shipment means 3 months like that. In that period, they test that software. Everything is working or not. How they test? Like that, they told beta shipment is running. Who are interested? Which companies are interested to participate in beta shipment? Like that, they announce. SAP company, SAP is company in 1972 founded. It is the big company in the world. SAP company announced beta shipment is running. So who are interested to join? Which companies are interested to join? On that time, they make tender like that. Some companies only, all the companies they don't join. Some few companies only they join in that beta shipment. So on that time, their software they installed in the company server, they tested, but they did not develop business. Remember, that software they use it for test purpose only. They did not develop business in that software on that time when in beta shipment period. They test it. So when testing time, suppose one of the companies there, entity companies there, they participate in the beta shipment. So they install that software in the they install that software in the company server. They testing. On the time they got any issue means directly contact to the main person and tell to that one. So when I'm testing time, I got this issue. Like that, they collect all the issues and they solve all the issues. Once again, they test it. Everything is okay means after they released in the market. In that release to customer, RTC. RTC means release to customer. Release to customer, RTC. Here you saw 11/8/2025, last year, 8th month. So 2 months, 2 months they test it. 2 months they test it. After, what is this release to customer and general availability? So two types is there, release to customer, general availability. So general availability. So nothing here, general availability means they release that software in the market. Everything is available. Release to customer means sometimes what they do means here same day only they release. Release to customer and general availability, same day is there. Sometimes they release different day. For example, iPhone 17 they release. How they release? They release all the mobiles? No. They release only today. They release only 5,000 mobiles, 10,000 mobiles. Like that only they make. Why? They reduce the crowd. They don't make burden on that counter. That's why slowly in the market. This week I provided only 10,000 mobiles. Next week I provided 20,000 mobiles. Next week I provided 30,000 mobiles. Like that, slowly within 1 month, they provide all the mobiles to the all the customers. Why at a time they're releasing all the mobiles means all the customers they started buying mobile on means sometimes server will be got hang, and distribution also is not possible to distribute all the mobiles to the all the customers. That's why they split the releasing. Here also release to customer means sometimes they release to particular customers only. After releasing particular customers, they release that mobile, that software to all the everything. General availability means that software is available to everyone. That is the meaning of general availability. Next, mainstream maintenance that I told later. Okay, mainstream maintenance. Now, Now SAP S/4HANA release 1. First, which version they release? We want to know that one. This is the one they release. SAP S/4HANA on-premise edition 1511. First to the release that one. SAP S/4HANA 1511 on-premise edition. SAP S/4HANA 1511 on-premise edition 1511. That is the first version. So SAP S/4HANA 1511 the release. SAP S/4HANA, you in shortcut you called as SAP S/4HANA 1511. In which year it is released? In 2016. Here is the general availability in 2016. In 2016 it is released. I told you no, it is enterprise management software. In 2016 it is released. Mainstream maintenance date 2020. Mainstream maintenance 2020. Now you want to know what is that mainstream maintenance. Now we want to know what is that mainstream maintenance. Mainstream maintenance means SAP they provide support until that. Mainstream maintenance means that product version life end. Here mainstream maintenance date is completed 2020. That means this software is expired. For example, they're releasing the medicine in the market. Clearly, I tell you, one tablet sheet is there. When you buy the tablet sheet, what you do, first of all, you check manufacture date. This is the manufacture date, release date. After what you check expired date. Mainstream maintenance means expired date. That means this software is expired now. This product version is expired. Expired means what? That product version is not available in the market. Now I want to install SAP S/4HANA 1511 means it's not possible. Why? That is expired. It is dead. That product version is not there. When it is available from 2016 to 2020, that product version is available. Now that product version is not there. That means nowadays SAP S/4HANA 1511 is not there. We want to install SAP S/4HANA 1511 is not possible. Why? Means it is dead. That one. Next, what they release, and one more important point, before 2016, there is no SAP S/4HANA software. That means I learned on 2013, 2014. I learned SAP Basis course on 2013, 2014. On the time, when I learning time, there is no SAP S/4HANA software. From 2016 onwards only, SAP S/4HANA software is available in the market. Okay. Next, which one they release? Second product version is SAP S/4HANA 1610. It is one of the version. It is the name SAP S/4HANA 1610 is the name of the software. It is one of the version in SAP S/4HANA. SAP S/4HANA is the software. In that software, SAP S/4HANA 1610 is the one of the version. Windows is the main operating system name. In Windows 10 is the one of the version. Release Windows 11 is the one of the version, like that here also. Same that one also in 2016 it is released. 2021. This one also expired. 2021. That means nowadays this product version is not there. Now I want to install that product version, is not possible. Why? Means it is expired. It is dead. Next, there is SAP S/4HANA 1709. They're releasing SAP S/4HANA 1709. In which year? In 2017 only. They release in 2017, 2022. This one also is expired. So this one also is expired. Here another option is there. What is this extended maintenance? Another option is there. 2025. It is completed. Extended maintenance also is completed. 2025. Okay. 2022. It is not there. This one also expired. SAP S/4HANA 1709 also is not there. It is expired. Leave that one. It is completed. Next, which version? SAP S/4HANA 1809. SAP S/4HANA 1809. In which year? In 2018, 2023. 2018, 2023. It is also expired. Nowadays, it is not possible to install SAP S/4HANA 1809 also. Okay. Next, which one they release? SAP S/4HANA 1909. SAP S/4HANA 1909. In which year? In 2019 year it is released. In 2019. In 2019 it is released. 2024. It is also same. 2024. It is also expired. When tablet is expired means you use. When tablet is expired means we use. No, I don't use. Tablet is expired means I don't use. Like that here also. This product version is expired means it is not available. Nowadays, I want to install SAP S/4HANA 1909 means it's not possible. Next, SAP S/4HANA 2020. SAP S/4HANA 2020. In 2020 year it is released. In 2020 year. Okay, 2020, 2025. Last month it is expired. Last month it is expired. Okay, so now next which version is there? SAP S/4HANA 2021. SAP S/4HANA 2021. In which year it is released? In 2021 year it is released. In 2021 year it is released. 2026. This year end it will be expired. That means nowadays we want to install SAP S/4HANA 2021 is possible. Why it is not expired? That product version is available. We use means it is possible. Next, SAP S/4HANA 2022. SAP S/4HANA 2022. In which year it is released? 2022 year it is released. 2022 year it is released. 2027 is the expected. So it one also is possible to install. Why means it is not expired. SAP S/4HANA 2022 is not expired. It is available to install. Next, SAP S/4HANA 2023. In which year it is released? 2023 year it is released. 2023 year it is released. 2030 is the expired date. Nowadays, it is possible to install. Nowadays, it is possible to install SAP S/4HANA 2023. Here, when we see one thing, what here in 2016, they released two versions. They released two versions, 2016. 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. Here are those every year they're releasing the SAP S/4HANA product version. But in 2024, they did not release any product version. That means here what you are thinking, SAP S/4HANA 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, after 2024, like that you are thinking. Next SAP S/4HANA 2024 you are thinking, but they did not release SAP S/4HANA 2024. They did not release SAP S/4HANA 2024. So that means in 2024 year, they did not release any product version. Directly what they released means SAP S/4HANA 2025. In which year it is released? 2025 year it is released. That is the latest version. 2032. 2032. It is the latest version. So SAP S/4HANA 2025 is the latest version. And this is the previous version. Now you got it. What are the SAP S/4HANA releases is available? We got it. In this, nowadays, SAP S/4HANA 2021, SAP S/4HANA 2022, SAP S/4HANA 2023, SAP S/4HANA 2025. Only these 4 versions only is available. In SAP S/4HANA, nowadays, only these 4 versions only is available for installing purpose. In company, we want to develop business on SAP S/4HANA software means only these 4 versions only is available. So this all versions is dead until these 6 versions is dead. So nowadays, alive versions in SAP S/4HANA, alive versions is only these 4 versions is there. Maximum they don't use SAP S. Nowadays, freshly they want to install means they don't use SAP S/4HANA 2021, 2022 also. Maximum freshly they want to install and develop business means maximum they use latest version or previous version only. Why means here? This is 5 years is there, 4 years is there. This is 6 years is there. That's why mostly they use SAP S/4HANA 2023, 2025. But SAP S/4HANA 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025. Total these 4 versions is available in SAP S/4HANA software product. SAP S/4HANA is the product name. In that SAP S/4HANA software, SAP S/4HANA 2021 is one of the version. SAP S/4HANA 2022 is one of the version. SAP S/4HANA 2023 is one of the version. SAP S/4HANA 2025 is one of the version. It is the enterprise management software, business management software. Now, here we want to know how many types of SAP systems. How many types of SAP systems? Now we want to know about that one. How many types of SAP systems? 2 types is there. 2 types. What is that one? Here. Yes, about based SAP systems. Yes, about based SAP systems. So you called as ASAP based SAP system in shortcut, or you called as ASAP system. Like that, AS Java based SAP system. AS Java based SAP systems, or in shortcut you called as AS Java. AS ABAP system or AS Java system. AS full form is application server. AS full form is application server. Here, now we want to know about SAP S/4HANA software is supported for installing AS ABAP based SAP system and AS Java based SAP system. SAP S/4HANA product is supported for installing AS ABAP based SAP system and AS Java based SAP system. That's beyond SAP S/4HANA product supported for installing AS ABAP based SAP system and AS Java based SAP system. That means what? We use SAP S/4HANA 2021 and we install AS ABAP based SAP system and we install AS Java based SAP system also. I show that one. You got it clearly. I show. Don't worry. SAP S/4HANA 2023, SAP S/4HANA 2025. These 4 versions only is there, no? Now directly I go to the company server. Now I'm showing live systems. Now I'm showing company live systems to all of you. By seeing that live systems, you understand. So in company SAP S/4HANA software, they use it for Java system, they use it for ABAP system. I showed that one live systems. You got it clearly. What I'm telling that point, you got it. By seeing, we got it clearly. Now these are all company systems. Okay, now here ABAP I am selected. Okay, I leave ABAP. Okay, now okay. Here actually product option is there. They remove that product option. Okay, here I am selecting system type, system ID I'm entering. So now we want to see SAP S/4HANA 2021. No? Yeah, I don't. It is ABAP system. Here we saw SAP S/4HANA 2021. SAP S/4HANA 2021. It is ABAP system. ABAP. Okay, one thing I did. So here you saw Java is there, ABAP is there, dual is there. After I tell about what is the dual, present Java is there, ABAP is there, dual. 3 types they're showing. But I told 2 types of SAP system only, ABAP and Java only I told, no. Dual after I told. So that means we use ABAP and Java. Here we saw. SAP S/4HANA server means ABAP system. SAP S/4HANA server means ABAP system. Okay, here SAP S/4HANA server 2021, SAP S/4HANA server 2022, SAP S/4HANA server 2023, SAP S/4HANA server 2025 is there. What is that? It is ABAP system. So now here you got it. SAP S/4HANA is supported for installing ABAP system. Now I show you. Java system option also is there. Now I show that one. It is opening. So what is this SAP S/4HANA server? SAP S/4HANA server. What is that SAP S/4HANA server? Now we want to know about SAP S/4HANA server. SAP S/4HANA server. It is one of the SAP system, and it is ABAP based SAP system. SAP S/4HANA server means it is one of the SAP system, and it is ABAP based SAP system. So SAP S/4HANA server is ABAP based SAP system. I tell that one, you got it clearly. SAP S/4HANA server is the name of the SAP system. SAP S/4HANA server is the name of the SAP system. SAP S/4HANA server is the name of the SAP system. That means it is one of the SAP system. Here we saw SAP S/4HANA is the name of the suite. SAP S/4HANA is the name of the suite. SAP S/4HANA is the name of the suite. SAP HANA is the name of the database software. First, we want to know these three difference. SAP S/4HANA server is the name of the SAP system. SAP S/4HANA is the name of the suite. Means SAP S/4HANA is the main software. SAP HANA is the database software. By using SAP S/4HANA, we are installing SAP S/4HANA server. In company, what they tell? In company, what they tell? Here we saw. Not here, I show. Here we saw. What they're telling here? In company, install an SAP S/4HANA server system. What they're telling? You want to install an SAP S/4HANA server system. On that time, what you want to understand? Install an SAP S/4HANA server system. They're telling to you. What is that meaning? So they're telling to install SAP S/4HANA server system. SAP S/4HANA server is one of the SAP system. SAP S/4HANA server is the name of the SAP system, and it is the ABAP based SAP system. How I install SAP S/4HANA server? By using SAP S/4HANA 2021 or SAP S/4HANA 2022 or SAP S/4HANA 2023 or SAP S/4HANA 2025. We want to install SAP S/4HANA server system. SAP S/4HANA server system is one of the SAP system. So here, what I'm doing here by using SAP S/4HANA 2025, I'm going to install SAP S/4HANA server system. I'm not installing SAP S/4HANA software in my server. In company server, they told me, VK, you want to install SAP S/4HANA server system. Okay. By using SAP S/4HANA 2025, we want to install SAP S/4HANA server system. Here, I'm not installing SAP S/4HANA software. By using SAP S/4HANA software, I'm installing SAP S/4HANA server system. It is ABAP based SAP system. by using SAP S/4HANA 2021, I want to install SAP S/4HANA server system. Same, by using SAP S/4HANA 2022, I want to install SAP S/4HANA server system. Say, by using SAP S/4HANA 2023, I want to install SAP S/4HANA server system. SAP S/4HANA 2025. So you want to understand, in company, they asked me, we want to install SAP S/4HANA server system means only 4 versions is there. SAP S/4HANA 2021, SAP S/4HANA 2022, SAP S/4HANA 2023, SAP S/4HANA 2025. These 4 versions only is available for installing SAP S/4HANA server system. SAP S/4HANA server is one of the SAP system and it is ABAP-based SAP system. Okay. Now, here we saw SAP S/4HANA Java 2025. Option is there. Here we saw SAP S/4HANA Java 2021, SAP S/4HANA Java 2022, SAP S/4HANA Java 2023, SAP S/4HANA Java 2025 option is there. So that means what here I'm telling, it is possible to install SAP S/4HANA Java. That means what here I'm telling, SAP S/4HANA software is supported for installing SAP ABAP-based SAP system and the Java-based SAP system. That's I'm telling to all of you. Okay, this. So here is SAP S/4HANA 2025. By using SAP S/4HANA 2025, it is possible to install SAP S/4HANA Java. In company VK, you want to install SAP S/4HANA Java means, so they told you, you use SAP S/4HANA 2023 and you want to install SAP S/4HANA Java means I want to install. I know, yeah, SAP S/4HANA software is supported for installing SAP S/4HANA Java and it is also supported for installing SAP S/4HANA server system. SAP S/4HANA product is supported for installing SAP S/4HANA server system and it is also supported for installing SAP S/4HANA Java system. SAP S/4HANA server is ABAP-based SAP system. SAP S/4HANA Java is Java-based SAP system. Okay, now we got it clearly. Now here, another important point we want to know. Very, very important point. What is that important point? Relational database management system. In shortcut, it is called as RDBMS. Now we want to discuss about databases. What are the what are the database softwares is available for installing SAP software? Now here we are learning what means what are the database softwares is available for installing SAP software. One is SAP Hana and another one is SAP ASE and another one is SAP MatchDB. Next Oracle. Next MS SQL Server. Next DB2. Okay, these 6 are database softwares. SAP HANA is the name of the database software. SAP ASE is the name of the database software. SAP MatchDB is the name of the database software. Oracle is the name of the database software. MS SQL Server is the name of the database software. DB2 is the name of the database software. Now you know what are the database softwares is available for installing SAP software. We got it clearly. Now here SAP S/4HANA Java. Now we want to install SAP S/4HANA Java. What are the database softwares is supported? We want to know. So suppose here Visa, I want to install SAP S/4HANA Java 2025. Expand here. MatchDB, SAP HANA database, SAP ASC. Clearly here I am showing only 3 database softwares only supported. 3 database softwares only supported for installing not only SAP S/4HANA 2025, 2023 also, 2022 also, 2021 also. That means SAP HANA database, SAP AC, SAP MatchDB. Only 3 database softwares only supported for installing SAP S/4HANA Java. SAP S/4HANA Java 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025. We want to install SAP S/4HANA Java 2021 means SAP HANA DB, SAP ACDB, and SAP MatchDB databases only supported like 2022, 2023, 2025. Okay, here clearly we got it. For installing SAP S/4HANA Java, what are the database softwares is available? Clearly we got it. Now, for installing SAP S/4HANA Java, I told that one also. SAP S/4HANA Java is Java-based SAP system. SAP S/4HANA server is ABAP-based SAP system. In company, they use ABAP-based SAP system. In company, they use Java-based SAP system. Okay. So that means in company, SAP S/4HANA software is used for ABAP-based SAP system and SAP S/4HANA software is used for Java-based SAP system also. And one more important point, SAP S/4HANA server is supported for developing business. Okay, SAP S/4HANA Java is not supported for developing business. That means in SAP S/4HANA Java system, it is not possible to develop business. So in SAP S/4HANA ABAP system only, it is possible to develop business. So SAP S/4HANA Java means supporting like that. Okay, just we don't want to know that one. Okay, now SAP S/4HANA server 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025. Which databases is supported? SAP S/4HANA server. SAP HANA database only. Now I want to install SAP S/4HANA server system means only SAP HANA DB only supported. That means we want to install SAP S/4HANA server system means only SAP HANA database only supported. Other databases is not supported. We want to know that one. I show that one also. Once again, suddenly section will be closed. When section will be closed again means login with same link only. We continue the section. Okay, suppose in middle suddenly section will be closed means login with same link only. Okay, we continue the section. Okay, now it is opening. Now I want to show SAP S/4HANA server is supported for installing only HANA database. I want to show that one. Okay, here we saw SAP S/4HANA server, SPAN, installation, SPAN. Here we saw SAP S/4HANA server, only SAP HANA database only supported for installing SAP S/4HANA server. SAP S/4HANA server is supported only SAP HANA database only. And another important point, SAP HANA database software is available only in Linux OS only. SAP HANA database software is not available in Windows operating system. That means it is not possible to install SAP HANA database software in Windows operating system. SAP HANA database software is available only in Linux operating system only. I show that one also now. Here we saw, this is the software, SAP HANA database software, Linux on power systems or Linux on x86 65. So only in Linux. Linux means SUSE Linux or Red Hat. Here I show. This one. Actually, SAP HANA platform edition is there. SAP HANA platform edition. SAP HANA platform edition. Two types is there. Now present 2.0 is there. Previously 1.0 is there. They deleted. Here only SAP HANA platform edition 2.0 is there. In olden days, SAP HANA platform version 1.0 is there. They deleted now. Now only SAP HANA platform version 2.0 only is available. Okay, here we saw. Here we saw. Operating system only it is supported on Linux on x86 64, Linux and Power. So it is supported only in Linux operating system in SUSE Linux. So SAP HANA SAP HANA database software is supported only in SUSE Linux OS only. SUSE Linux. So SAP HANA database software is supported only in SUSE Linux OS only. So we want to install SAP S/4HANA server system on HANA database only. SAP HANA database only. SAP HANA database software is supported to install only in SUSE Linux OS only. Okay, now we got it about SAP S/4HANA server and SAP S/4HANA Java. What are the databases is supported? You got it. Now we want to know about SAP kernel. Now we want to know about SAP kernel. SAP kernel is one of the software, SAP software only. SAP kernel is the software. Okay. SAP kernel is the software. Two types is there. SAP kernel, two types is there. One is Unicode kernel. In shortcut, it is called as UC. And another one is non-Unicode kernel. In shortcut, it is called as MUC. So you called as UC or you called as Unicode. You called as non-Unicode or you called as NUC. UC means Unicode, NUC means non-Unicode. SAP kernel is the software. So two types of kernel software is there. Kernel means what? Based on kernel only, your SAP software will be. We want to know that one. Based on your SAP software only, based on kernel only, your SAP software will be. Now I show that one. Kernel. It is non-Unicode. Here particular they mention Unicode. Unicode mention. They telling it is the SAP kernel Unicode. Here they did not mention Unicode. That means it is the non-Unicode. Here clearly I am showing SAP kernel non-Unicode, SAP kernel Unicode. Two types is there. Okay. Now, what are the SAP S/4HANA versions is there? SAP S/4HANA version 2021, SAP S/4HANA 2022, SAP S/4HANA 2023, SAP S/4HANA 2025. Now, in company, it's possible to install only these four versions only. Now, first of all, SAP S/4HANA server system. That means ABAP system. First of all, we want to see ABAP system. In ABAP system, for installing SAP, so I want to install ABAP system by using SAP S/4HANA 2021. Which kernel version is supported? Now I want to know which kernel version is supported for installing SAP S/4HANA 2021. I want to know that information. Okay, here we saw install an ABAP system. SAP S/4HANA 2021. Only HANA database only. 789, 793. SAP kernel 789, 793. 64-bit Unicode. So here we are discussing about ABAP system, not Java system. Okay, here we are discussing about ABAP system, not Java system. Here we saw, we want to install SAP S/4HANA Server 2021, means these two kernel versions is available. Now we want to know about 2022. Same in for 2022 also, same kernel versions is supported. For 2022 also, same kernel versions is supported. Here you saw, same kernel versions. Now we want to know about 2023. Only 793 only supported. SAP kernel 793 only supported for 2023. $793 only supported for SAP S/4HANA 2023. Compulsory, we want to know which kernel version is supported for installing SAP S/4HANA 2022-2023. Like that, compulsory we want to know. Now, latest one, 2025. SAP kernel 916, SAP kernel 916. So it is total different version. 916. Here we saw only Unicode kernel software only supporting. Unicode kernel software is supporting. Non-Unicode kernel is not supporting. I told that one also. Why non-Unicode kernel is not supporting for installing SAP S/4HANA server system? I told that one also. For installing SAP S/4HANA 2021, SAP kernel 789, SAP kernel 793 Unicode only. For installing SAP S/4HANA 2022, SAP kernel 789, 793 Unicode only. For installing SAP S/4HANA 2023, SAP kernel 793, 64-bit Unicode only. For installing SAP S/4HANA 2025, SAP kernel 916 64-bit Unicode. It is about SAP S/4HANA server system, not Java system. Now we want to know about Java system. Now SAP S/4HANA Java. For SAP S/4HANA Java, SAP S/4HANA 2021, SAP S/4HANA 2022, SAP S/4HANA 2023, SAP S/4HANA 2025 is there. Okay. Now, Java. When we select Java, here icon will be changed. Okay, now Java system. Okay, SAP S/4HANA Java. Here we saw three databases is supported: MatchDB, AC, HANA database. Only SAP kernel 754 only supported. SAP kernel 754. For 2025. I want to install SAP S/4HANA 2025. SAP kernel 754 is supported. Okay, we see SAP S/4HANA 2023. Seven 753, 754. 753, 754. For SAP S/4HANA 2021, SAP S/4HANA Java 2021, SAP kernel 753, 754 is supported. SAP S/4HANA Java 2022, same. For SAP S/4HANA Java 2023, same 753, 754 Unicode only. For SAP S/4HANA Java 2025, only 754 kernel version only supported. 753 is not supported. Now we got it clearly. For a Java system, which kernel version is supported? For ABAP-based research system, which kernel version is supported? We got it. And based on versions. Now here, very important point, that Unicode kernel only supporting, why non-Unicode kernel is not supporting for SAP S/4HANA software. Now we want to know that one.